You want to know something about the gang stalkers? The gang stalkers are the reflection of the government. You see, so since the government have actually established the gang stalker and secret organization to work for them, to assassinate target individuals' reputation, and to assassinate, to literally assassinate target individuals, and to kill target individuals, since if they can ever get a chance. And since they did kill some target individuals, like that video I have watched up on Vice. That's a YouTube channel. Up on Vice. And then one of the target individuals think that one of their friends have got killed. The nature of gang stalkers is not only the nature of Satan, but the nature of gang stalkers reflect the government. They're like pharaohs. They don't want to. They don't want the target individuals to be free. You see, and the plans that the government have that's reflected in these gang stalkers says a lot about the government themselves. They have plans to kill people in the United States of America. They want to kill as many Christian men and women that they want to in the United States of America. And it's not only just going to happen in the United States of America, it's going to happen all over the globe. It's going to happen everywhere. You see? And that's what the government is planning on doing to Christian men and women. And you can tell the level of evil about our own government in the United States of America reflected through the gang stalkers. This is exactly what our government think of us. They don't even think of us as human beings at all. They just think of us as objects, experiments, a thing. They call us they think that we are it. They call us a it. You see, they see us as less of a human being than average men and women. When our names are, you know, when our names are blacklisted, they treat us like criminals. They see us as criminals. You see, even some people even falsely was blacklisted and became target individuals for, doing things like, for example, speaking the truth. They can actually be to themselves and some odd reason and be decent men and women and end up as being blacklisted and become target individuals because they randomly pick people out and experiment upon them. And they did absolutely nothing for diabolical purposes. Now, another thing about these gang stalkers, they use words to upset target individuals to get some type of reaction up out of them, to upset them. They try to get them to be angry, sad, and so many other things, And every time when the person enjoy themselves, they try to get that person discouraged and make them feel uncomfortable and make them feel not safe anymore. You know, they try to get them all kind of uncomfortable.